How to fix Uber Eats? We have detected a problem. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So that we have detected a problem error on Uber Eats usually means that there is an issue with your account, payment, location, or the app's data. And here's how you can fix it. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your payment method and make sure that your payment method information is correct. You can also try removing and re-adding your credit or debit card, and you can also switch to a different payment method like PayPal or Apple Pay or Klarna, Venmo, CVS Pharmacy, and more. Also, make sure that you have verified your account details. Confirm that your phone number, email, and payment information are correct and accurate. Uber sometimes flag accounts with inconsistent information for security reasons. And you can also try updating or reinstalling the application from your device. If the app is already updated, try uninstalling it and then reinstalling it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. Now, another thing you can do is you can try clearing the cache. For that, open your system settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Uber Eats application. Once you find it, scroll down and tap on storage and then tap on clear cache, and you can also try clearing the data. But remember that clearing the data will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. And you can also try logging out of your Uber Eats account and logging back in. And if none of these steps work, contact the Uber Eats support and get help. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.